Hello there, I am here, not to review those, but to review this. It is a 1 to 3 way daisy chain cable from JACKYLED on Amazon. It's got the female end here to plug in, so I'm going to go ahead and plug that in here somewhere. So this is so you can attach more than one LED strip to one source, which is handy to have. And as you can see, it's daisy chained out, so you have your male end connector there. So I got these 3 LED strips, so just plug them in and show you how well it works. You can power all 3. At the same time. Maybe. Oh, that one came undone. So plug here, we'll fix that here in a minute. So hopefully you can see all 3 of those there. They're kind of spread out all over the place. And then this one came loose, but here we'll attach it there for a second. So there you go. You can power 3 different strips at the same time. It's great. It's like if you want to backlight your TV, you just need one plug. And so I'm using a 12-volt supply right now. So as you can see, it does a really good job of lighting those up. So these little connectors I bought separately to attach to the LED strips. There's different types of them out there, but anyway, there you go. It works very great, very handy to have. So whatever your application is for your LED light strips, makes it easier to connect multiple strips up. So there you go, very good product. You can get it right now on Amazon for $16.35, and they have different varieties. This is the 1 to 3 way. They also have 1 to 5 way, 1 to 11 way. And then they also have a 9-volt 2-amp power supply available too. So very good product. Enjoy.